The next step is to create an activity. So you go here to Manage Activities. We recommend that you discuss this with your partner teacher, what activity to select. But for the first one, it does usually tend to be Introduce Yourself. If you want to have a look at any of the activities, you simply select them, and you can see here the worksheet is available to download in PDF. So to select the activity to assign to the students, just click Select Activity, Introduce Yourself. You can choose the language for the activity. So this is the language that the worksheet is available in, English, let's say. And then here you choose the visibility for the students. So if you click Public, it means that the students will be able to see it via the student platform as well, once the video has been approved. If you click Private, it means that just the teachers in the teacher platform will be able to see it. It means that you'd only be able to show the video during class and not be able to, assign as homework, watch one of your exchange partners' videos, for example. So you just click Create Activity, and then you have 3 buttons here. If you do want to edit the activity, edit the privacy, you can click Edit or delete the activity.